Mergers and acquisitions can bring exciting growth opportunities, but integrating IT systems is a challenge that can't be ignored. Did you know 70% of businesses have experienced data loss during migrations due to accidental deletion? It's a common hurdle, and one that needs careful planning to avoid. Merging IT systems can create redundancies, security gaps, and compatibility issues. To navigate this process successfully, it's essential to start with a comprehensive assessment of both companies' IT infrastructures. Evaluate hardware, software, and data to identify overlaps and gaps, then clean and consolidate your systems for a smooth transition. Cybersecurity is another key consideration. Aligning the security measures of two organizations can prevent vulnerabilities during the merger. Additionally, system compatibility and business continuity planning help minimize disruptions and ensure operational efficiency. Finally, proper change management and training are critical. Employees need to understand the new tools and workflows to adapt quickly. With these strategies in place, you can build an IT environment that supports growth and innovation for the newly merged company. You can read the full guide, packed with detailed steps and practical tips, on our website. And don't forget to add this episode to your Spotify playlist for easy reference later.